Looking for a simple way to keep your Coleman fuel lantern burning bright? Changing mantles doesn't have to be a hassle. With these mantles featuring a convenient string attachment, swapping them out is quick and mess-free. Whether you own a Coleman Model 200, 201, 214, 220, 275, or any of the many other compatible models, these mantles fit perfectly to keep your lantern glowing strong when you need it most. I've trusted Coleman lanterns for over 50 years, and their quality has never let me down. One memorable moment was when my dual-fuel lantern slipped from my hand, smashing the globe. It was a challenge to find a replacement, but once I did, I realized I also needed new mantles to get it back to full brightness. That's when I grabbed a few sets of these mantles. They're affordable, reliable, and designed to last. Knowing I could easily replace the mantles without fuss made all the difference, especially when camping or during power outages. What you get is peace of mind and consistent performance. These mantles are made in the USA, ensuring quality you can count on. Plus, the string attachment makes installation straightforward, so you won't waste time fumbling with tricky parts. If you own a Coleman fuel lantern and want to keep it working like new, stocking up on these mantles is worth a look. Try them when you're ready, and keep your lantern shining bright no matter where your adventures take you.